Yes, dear students, today I am going to take Functional Food and Nutraceuticals. I am Dr. Jayakumari, Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy, Wales Institute of Sciences. The topic I am going to take today is Functional Food and Nutraceuticals, comes under the Unit 2, Herbal Drug Technology, 6th semester. In that unit, I am going to talk about the definitions, classification, what are the important phytochemicals, and their health benefits. That before that one, there is a one proverb. It is given by the Greek physician Hippocrates. He is known as the father of medicine. Let food be your medicine. And the philosophy behind in that proverb focus on prevention. Prevention is better than the treatment. So coming to the definitions, functional food. Any modified food or food ingredient that may provide a health benefit beyond the traditional values of nutrient, what it contains. It was quoted by the National Academy of Science of Food and Nutrition Board. Encompassing a very broad range of products from foods developed for a particular functional ingredient to staple food fortified with a rich amount of nutrient that are seldom present. It was given by the British Nutritional Foundation. So, as a whole food along with the fortified or enriched or enhanced food with a potential beneficial effect on health wise when eaten as a part of varied diet at a regular basis at effective levels based on significant standards of evidence. It was given by the Encyclopedia of Food Science and Nutrition. So coming to the nutraceutical definition, a food or a part of the any food or any nutrient that provides health benefit, including the prevention and treatment of disease, is called nutraceuticals. It is coming under the pharmaceutical as a part of the food. Characteristic of the important functional food. The functional food should be a conventional food forms inherent a sensory characteristic feature. It contains physiologically functional components that are not consumed in a medicinal way on therapeutical levels. That confers scientifically proven physiological benefit when consumed as a part of the food. The regular diet, but not in a pill form or not in any dosage form. It is scientifically proven to be a safe for long-term consumption of that particular food, which can be intended for the population. Containing functional component, whether nutrient or phytochemical, that are should be naturally present, they can be added to the food at a required amount. It may be used to prevent or treat some type of certain illness or disease. Coming to the role of the nutraceutical and functional food in our body, according to the International Life Science Institute, food has three important roles in our body. First, it is the provision of the nutrient. The body can carry out its day-to-day activity and for growth and development from the consumption of nutrient. Second, the food gives satisfaction and improves of well-being, especially that gives a taste, looks, and smells, so the population can take it with more satisfaction. Third, the most recently added function of the food is it related to the regulation of our body normal physiological and metabolic process by components of the metabolic components other than the main nutrients from the food. These are the some classification of the functional food. The functional food based upon the nature of the food it was prepared. They can be classified into conventional food that is normally used at home. Modified food, the food can be fortified or modified with added nutrient. Synthetic food that can be prepared by synthetically by using some accepted synthetic substance. What is conventional? It is an unmodified food. It can be naturally prepared at home. It contains bioactive compound that confer with some health benefit. Example, vegetable, fruits, fish, and dairy products and grains. Modified food. These are the normal food items. They can be modified or they can be enriched or they can be enhanced. They can be fortified with the some functional nutrient or some food components. Example, fruit juices, beverages, calcium, folate, tablets, beverages, and other things. So they are not in a dosage form. They are not in some level form. They can be converted in the form of the food with the enriched nutrient. Synthetic food, these are the functional components that can be synthesized in the lab. Example, inulin type of fractulence and gluten, like that they can be prepared from the natural source, but manually or synthetically they can be prepared. Next, modified food. They are normal food item that can be enhanced, and fortified with the functional food component. Some examples of modified food are the fruit juices, folate enriched bread, beverages with the plant extract and iodized salt. Coming to the functional food component, macronutrient it contains micronutrient like iron, phosphorus, zinc, and other things at higher level. Non-nutrient, for example, phytocompounds like antioxidant, some of the probiotics, prebiotics, some microorganisms, and other things contain. Inorganic raw materials. Important phytochemicals and other health benefit. So these are the list of the phytocompounds. What are the sources for these phytocompounds? How they can be used with given here. I quoted with the reference also. So anthocyanin, it is a type of the coumarin compound, or it is a coloring matter. It is usually red in color, or reddish purple in color, or blue color. So the coloring may mostly present in the colored food like red cabbage, strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, radish, red radish, eggplant, that is a brinjal, plums, like that it is presented. So they are rich amount of anthocyanin. So these anthocyanins are helpful in the cholesterol, reduction cholesterol, thereby it prevent the cardiovascular related diseases. It also reduces the fat liver, that is anti-obesity. So it also used as antioxidant, thereby it prevents the cancer. It enhances the some cognitive function in the body. So these are the some references. Next, coming to the beta carotene. It is comes under the terpenoidal compound. It mostly present in sweet potato. It is a starting precursor for vitamin A. So the only source for vitamin A is a sweet potato, carrot, spinach, pineapple, papaya. So they are contain beta carotene, broccoli. So these are the normally available food source, vegetable source. So they, what is the use? Vitamin A is mainly used for the peroxidation of the lipids, inhibits thereby it maintain the lipid level. So it induces the antioxidant with the help of antioxidant property. It reduces cancer, reduces obesity, prevention of sunburn diseases, photo damage in our body. So like that it can be used. Mainly it is used for the some eye improvement, and also it is very, very important for autoimmune disorder like psoriasis. Catechins, these are the type of polyphenolic compounds. They are mostly present in the green tea, apple, apricot, cherries, and blackberry, blueberry. They are very good antioxidant property. They scavenge the free radical. So thereby it reduces the lower blood pressure level, and also it reduces the lipid level in our body. Coming to the flavonoids, they are type of group of polyphenolic compound. They are mostly present in the colored food, yellow colored food like green tea, coca, legumes food like that one. They are also having antioxidant. It is a very important property of flavonoid. They have a very good anti-inflammatory property. So we can use any type of inflammatory associated diseases. Lutein, it is a type of terpenoid. It is mostly present in the greeny vegetables. They are mostly responsible for the eye diseases, and also it is used for the risk of the age-related problem. Lycopene, it is a type of terpenoid. It is mostly present in tomato, watermelon, and wherever the fruits are somewhat succulent, berry type of fruit, they are lycopene. Lycopene nowadays, they are find out, research is going on. It is decreases the risk of the prevention of cancer, especially prostate cancer, breast cancer, and also a very good drug for the cardiovascular disease, lowering the blood cholesterol level. And also it is used for the strong antioxidant property. Next, quercetin. It is a type of flavonoidal glycoside. It is mostly yellow colored glycoside. It's mostly present in the yellow colored fruits wherever, and some colored fruits it is present. And the main property, it is also having a good antioxidant. It is a good anti-inflammatory property. So it may be used in cardiac diseases and cancer diseases. It reduces the BP also. So next one, receptor. It is a type of flavonoidal glycoside. It is also present in the purple color fruits like grapes, berry, and chocolate, coca, like that one. It also having a very good antioxidant property. Mainly it is used to the cardiovascular health issues. And rutin, it is also a type of flavonoid. It is otherwise known as vitamin B. It is mostly present in asparagus fruits and unpeeled apples, figs, and other fruits. It also have a very good anti-inflammatory property and anti-cancer property. Zeaxanthin, it is a light type of colored substance, coumarin substance. They are mostly present in the greeny vegetables, spinach, and other broccoli and other things. It also mostly responsible for the eye-related problem. So it observing the damage in the blue light that enter into the eye may reduce the risk of the age-related muscular degradation and muscular problems. So with this, I conclude my presentation. And the whole fruits, along with the fortified or enriched or enhanced food, have potentially beneficial effect on health when consumed as a part of varied diet at regular basis at effective levels. Functional food differ from one another, related in the terms of nutraceutical content, in that functional food are essentially food, while nutraceuticals are derived from foods but are used as medicines. So conclusion regarding nutraceuticals are present in most of the food ingredient. with a varying concentration, time, and duration of supply of nutraceuticals influencing human health. Manipulating the foods, the concentration of active intake can be increased. Diet rich in nutrients along with the regular exercise, stress reduction, and maintenance of healthy body weight will maximize health and reduce disease.